In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to sell your designs on Canva. Let's get started. Launch your Canva account. Make sure you are logged into your account. Now head towards a new tab. Over there, type in Canva Creators and search for it. Then navigate to the official website link. Once you're over here, you're gonna find this option, Become a Creator. Click on that. Click on Apply. Now you'll need to provide some information. Canva will ask what type of content you plan to create, such as templates, elements, or educational resources. Choose the option that best fits your skill. From here, you can select what do you love creating. Then click on Continue. Now select what best describes your business type. What's your area? Likewise, you can set some goals over here and click on Continue. And now you'll need to fill out this. Type in your first name, last name. Then you can share the URL to your design work. Select your country, language proficiency. Also mention how did you know about the Canva Creators program. After you fill out these, you can click on Submit. After you submit this, you're gonna see a message saying Canva will contact you when they are ready to onboard more creators, which simply means they may already have many creators at the moment. If you are accepted, the next step is uploading your own designs to the platform. You'll be able to upload your files, add descriptions, set prices, and include any additional details Canva requires. Once the designs are approved and published, they become available to Canva users, allowing you to earn money whenever someone uses or purchases your content. That's the basic process of selling your designs on Canva. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.